welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mkela. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to sum. Uh, I want to show you how to sum. What can I say? Sum numbers. Those numbers. Remember in the program in the previous tutorial how we showed how to print numbers from 1 to 10. Now I want to show you how to add those numbers, and show their sum of numbers, show the sum of numbers from 1 to 10. Now those numbers will be printed to the screen, and after that you will see their sum. So actually this program here, actually this program uh, uh, this program here, uh, some uh, numbers uh, from uh, 1 to 10. You can see this program, some numbers from 1 to 10. Then, as you know, you must declare your variable sum. You must declare your sum. Then initialize it to 0. Why initializing sum to 0? It's because whenever you declare any variable, or wherever want to reserve a space in your memory, now the space you want to reserve, or the space you're asking the memory to keep for you, a garbage value is stored in that memory or that variable. In this case, as you can see, this is we declaring an integer variable. Now any integer value will be stored in that variable to keep it for you. Now, whenever you put something on that variable, then whenever you add something or to that sum, this whatever you add in that variable, like for instance here, I'm saying sum is equal to sum plus a counter, which actually means that sum is equal to sum. As you know, sum is equal to 0. Then 0 plus counter, which is counter in this case is 1. Then it is 0 plus 1, then it's 1. Now, if you don't initialize a variable and you say sum is equal to sum plus counter, what will happen is that the garbage value that was stored in that variable will be added to the current with the current value you want to add. I'm not sure if you follow me. I'm saying that whenever you don't initialize your variable, that you're gonna add something onto it, and if you don't initialize this variable, then whatever garbage value was stored in this, what was pre-installed or previously installed, will also be added to this kernel. Then you'll get let's see what you call a wrong answer or a wrong output. And that's why you must declare, you initialize your variable to 0. You must initialize it. I hope you understand that part. Then whenever this what will happen there? Let me explain this thing first. Now, what will happen there? The numbers, our counter begins at 1, then it ends at 10. Now, what will happen is that, well, this counter is equals to 1, and then we'll be checked if this condition is true. Then this condition is true because 1 is less or equal to 10, is less than 10. Then this counter will be outputted to the screen, which is 1. Then after that, then the current line will be ended. Then from then, this is a sum. This is how I'm showing the computer how to perform the summation, how to add the numbers, how to add those numbers. I'm showing the computer. Then what will happen is that this sum, remember, sum is equal to 0. It will be 0 plus 1, then it will be 1. Then sum, this value will be changed to 1. This value will be changed, then sum, let me say sum will be equal to 1. And then again, the loop, this it comes, then the count will be incremented. Then this statement will execute again. Then the count will be 2. Then it will be 1 plus 2. then it will be 3. Then the sum will be changed to 3. Then again, this and again and again, this will happen. Then whenever this condition becomes false, then this Nancy, this board of this for Nancy loop will not execute. Then we'll come to this part. Then this part which actually means that the sum of numbers from 1 to 10 is then the sum. It will print the latest value of a sum, which is that case will be let's run the program and see. I'll show you and run this program and see. You can see there the those numbers are printed to the screen because we wanted them to be printed. I wanted them to be printed. As you can see, I set out counter and line. That's why this part. Is that this part. This whole part is this because of this. That's how you got that part. Then from then, what happened is that then when this condition became false, then the body of the loop where Natsiga exited, then the Pumbala came to this part, the program came to this part and then executed or outputted the sum. The sum is 55. The sum of numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 is equals to 55. That's how these things, that's how to add those numbers. You can put any numbers you want, any range is it's okay. You can put maybe up to 100 if you want. Let's run the program and see. And put any interval you want. You can see here we have numbers. Here we have numbers. We have numbers from, I suppose, numbers from 1 to 10 to 100. You can say numbers 1 from to 100. What did I do now? Numbers from 1 to 100. See those numbers? I'm just trying to show you. Then their sum is 5050. 5050. That's their sum. So that's how you add the numbers. That's how you add the numbers in a certain interval. Or let's say you wanted to add the even numbers. The even numbers, you can just say the counter is equals to plus 2. That's how you add the even numbers. Compile program and see what sorry, so I ran into some error there. Is equals to sorry, I'm not sure what to sorry, the problem was here. Sorry, what did I do? Supposed to be counter plus 2. How you do it? If you want to add those even numbers, you can see those are not even numbers. I mean, those are odd numbers because the counter begins at 1. So it's 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2 will be 5. If you want to add those even numbers, then you say begin at 0. So that will be 2. 0 plus 2, 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. That's how you do it. If you want to add the even numbers, you can say 46. Those are even numbers. You can just see by looking at them. Then their sum is 2550. That's how you do it. So I think that's it for this tutorial. I hope you understood everything. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial lesson. Yeah, I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you have anything to ask, just leave a comment. As soon as I get a chance, I'll reply to your comment. One last thing I can actually just show you to remember, you must know those uh, uh, this is a for loop. You must know everything. As you know, this is a for keyword. This is called a counter control variable name, and this one it is required. And this one is called this part is called the loop continuation condition, and this is called an increment of control variable. is increment control